Yeah, good morning, everyone. Can you see my screen? Yeah. Now we will go for other topic on switch. Now, fall through inside switch. Fall through inside switch. So what is fall through inside switch, guys? Okay. So in our switch, in our switch block, if any case or default is matching, okay, inside our switch block, if any case or default is matching, so from that onwards, all the statements will be executed. All the statement will be executed until break or end of the switch. So this is called what, guys? Fall through inside switch. Okay, let me write that statement, then we will see the example. Yeah, within the switch, within the switch, if any case or any key the case or default is matched, from that case onwards, that case onwards, all the statements will be executed until break or until break or end of the switch, guys. End of the switch. So this is called what, guys? This is called fall through inside the switch. This is called what? Fall through inside the switch, guys. Let's suppose if you take one example here. I'm taking int x is equal to 10. I'm taking. Now switch. Switch block. Here what I'm taking x. Next, what we need to do? Open curly braces and close curly braces. Here case label, right? Here let me write case 11. Case 11. What is here? System.out.print. System.out. So you want me to execute in Eclipse IDE? Let me go with Eclipse IDE. After that we will add here. Shall we go Eclipse IDE? I'm creating a Java project. Switch demo. Finish. Class. Switch demo. Fine. Now, if you see here, so what I'm taking, int x is equal to 10, guys. So after that, sw switch. Here x. Now, switch block case, right? Case. Let me put some value. Here case 8. Case 8. Then sys out. I'm printing here. Just I'm printing 8. So after that, I'm taking one more case here. Case 10. This one. Yeah, 10 I'm printing. So like this, I am taking one more case. Case 11 I am taking. Okay. This out. So here I'm printing 11. Okay. Same way I'm taking case 12. I'm printing this out. 12 guys. Okay. Okay. So let me take one more case. Case 13 I'm doing. And here this out. Just 13 I'm printing. Okay. No. Now see. Now what is the output guys here? Tell me what is the output. What is the output? Okay. So that's what fall through inside switch. Okay. Here, which statement is matching? Which case is matching, guys? The second case is matching, right? X value. What is the X value? 10, right? Case 10. Okay. The second case is matching. So from here onwards, all the statements will be executed, guys. Until what? Until break statement or end of the switch. Okay. End of the switch means what? This is the end block, right? Right? All the statements will be executed, guys. This is what fall through inside switch. Okay. Now let me execute. See what we are printing here. Output 10, 11, 12, 13. Clear? Everyone. So, but which case is matching? Only case 10. So this is the one is matching. Okay. But here onwards, all the statements will be executed until break statement or end of the switch. Now, if I put here the break statement, okay? If I put here a break statement, now you see what is the output now? 10, 11, 12, guys. Okay? See, and then, what is the output here? 10, 11, 12. See, already here we put break statement, right? So that is the word fall through inside switch. Okay? Within the switch, if any case or default statement is matching, okay? Understand? From that case onwards, all the statements will be executed until break or end of the switch. Clear, everyone? Now, if I put what is the default case, guys, in switch, name itself default. Okay, come on, right? Name itself what, guys? Default. What is the spelling? DEFAULT, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is showing something else. Okay. Now here default. Hmm? Okay, sorry guys. Default is a case, right? Fine. So now if you see, if I execute also, okay, the same result. Because what here break statement is there, right? Now if I remove break here, okay. Now what will be the answer, guys, here? I mean, what is the output here? Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13 default. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, why it is changing, guys? So this is called, okay, fall through statement in default case, I mean switch case. Hope you people clear. Okay, let me copy this example and let me add here. Okay, so now, yeah, what is the output, guys, here? 10, 11, 12,
12, 13.
until, that's it, right? 12, 11, 12, that's it. So there is a break, right? Okay. Now, here in this example, there is a break, right? So that's why. Now, okay. So what is the advantage of fall through statement inside switch, guys? Understand? So what is the advantage of fall through statements inside the switch, guys? Okay, the main advantage of fall through inside switch is we can define common action for multiple cases wise. Okay, we can define common action for multiple cases. Okay, so that what we will achieve, code reusability we will achieve. So let's suppose here, so here what is fall through inside switch means, if any case is matching, from that case onwards, all the statements will be executed, right? Until break or end of the switch. So that is the one word fall through inside switch, right? So now let's suppose, okay, uh, yeah. So there is a yearly we have how many quarters, guys? 4 quarters, right? How many quarters yearly? 4 quarters, right? First January, February, March is first quarter, and right, April, May, June, that is second quarter, like that, right? Okay. So now just I want to see, okay, I mean, let's suppose if I match the first one in the first January itself, okay, if the month is matched January, January comes under what, guys? Quarter one, right? If the case is matching February, then February comes under where, guys? Quarter one, right? So now for January, okay, and February for March, you can put quarter one, quarter one, quarter one, where system.out.println on quarter one, system.out.println of quarter one, system.out.println of quarter one, right? For January to March. And April to next June, you can put as what? Quarter two.
Quarter 2.
Okay. So like that, every 3 months, okay, we can put that respect to quarter, guys. So that time, what will happen? Now, for end of the March, okay, end of the March case, you can put the break there. So if the January is match, so you can see, okay, all the statements like quarter one, January is quarter one, February is quarter one, right? March is quarter one, like this. Okay, understand? Let me explain you here. The Eclipse IDE. Clear, right? I think. Okay. We will go with other one. Clear? Come on, guys.
Okay.
Clear, right? Everyone.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is the advantage of this fall through? The main advantage of fall through inside switch is we can define common action for multiple cases. Okay. The same action for multiple, all the cases, you can put what? Same action, guys. Understand? If one action is one case is matching, from that case onwards, all the cases, all the common cases will be executed. Understand? Until what? Break or end of the switch. Okay, fine. So if you did not mention any break statement here, okay, all the statements will be executed until break or end of the switch. So that is called what? Fall through inside switch. Understand? That is what fall through inside switch. That's what we are discussing, right? Actually, each case, if you write each case, there should be some action after that break. Okay, that is the syntax actually, right? If you write any switch block, inside switch, if you mention any case statement, after that case related action and followed by break statement. Clear? But, so that is what one case is matching means what? Only that particular action will be executed, and finally the control come out of the switch loop. Only that particular case is matching, right? Understand? That actually in the switch statement, that is the, actually we are doing. But here what? If you forget to put break statement, not forget, intentionally, if you're not writing any break statement, when we will go for, intentionally you are not writing break statement, when we will go for that case. So if you have a common action for multiple cases, okay, if you have a common action for multiple cases, So that time what? We will not write in a break statement. Okay. If the first case is matching, from that case onwards, all the statements has to execute. Okay. From all the statements has to execute. So that is my intention. So by that time, what we will do? We will not write any break statement. If you write break statement means what? Okay, if the particular case is matching, that case only will execute and okay, loop, the control will come out of the that particular block.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So here,
Yes,
let's
sir.
suppose case 10. Here I'm putting what? Okay, break statement, right? If I put break statement here, what will happen now? Only that statement only will execute. See what is the output you see? 10, right? Why? Here int x is equal to 10, right? The switch
Yes,
statement
sir.
is what? If you have multiple options, so instead of going with if else statement, okay, we are going with switch statement. So which case is matching? The 10th case is matching. The x value is 10. So that's why here we're printing what? The 10 value. Understand? Only this case is matching. So that's what the output also, okay, this case related output only we will see. And after that break. Break means what? Okay, control will come out of the loop. Understand, guys? Come on, everyone. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now here what? Now my requirement is, okay, if something, the 10 is matching, from that case onwards, all the statements has to execute. I don't want to execute each and everyone. Understand? Here I don't want to match each and every case. If the first case is matched, then for all the remaining, okay, statements has to execute. So by that time, what we need to do? Okay, we should not keep break statement. Understand? If you remove
Yes.
break, we will see 10, 11, 12. So this is what fall through inside switch. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, so here, guys, see the syntax of switch means what? Always switch, argument type, and case label. Okay. Action. Action means what? Statement. And after that, break. So that is the syntax actually. Okay. Clear, everyone? So here, normally, this is the way, guys. Where here, see. After statement, what we need to do? Break. Here also, break. Here also what? Break. Okay. So this is the way, guys. Understand? So this is the way of writing switch block. Here what? So we are mentioning, okay, each case here. If the first case is matching, then first case related, okay, statement will execute. If the second case is matching, then second case related statement will execute. Understand? If the third case is matching, third case related statement is executing. If else, guys, if block is matching, then if block related statement will execute. Right? If else block is matching, else block related statements will execute. Clear? In the same way, for switch also, instead if else, we are going with what? Switch. If we have, okay, multiple options, right? So already we discussed it, right? Now you see the first case is matching, then first case related statement will execute. Understand? So this is the way actually. But some cases, okay, if you want to go with, if some first case is matching, that first case related, okay, so all the statements from that case onwards, all the statements will be want to be executed, then we will go with what? Okay, fall through inside switch. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? Tell me, guys.
No.
Thinking you guys will execute, but I think not clear still. I'm taken. That's why I'm asking you guys will execute. Okay, this is what, guys. This January, February, March comes under what? Quarter one, right? After March, what we have? April, right? APR. Let me take APR. No. April comes under what? Quarter 2. Okay? Come on, guys. Are you listening?
Yeah, okay. Yes,
Yes, sir.
How many? April. After that, May, right? May comes under quarter 2, right? After May, June. June comes under quarter 2 only. After June, what? July. Quarter 3. After July, what we have? August. AUG. August comes under what? Quarter 3. After August, what? September. September comes under what? Quarter 3, right? After that, October. Finally, December. No, already default is there. We have already default statement. Okay, fine. Clear? So this is what, guys? Switch. Clear, everyone? Hello? Okay. So here what? String. Already I told you, right? What is the problem here? What is the problem, guys?
2 times without April.
Okay. Jan, Feb, March, April. Let me remove one. Okay. So now, if I put break statement, what will happen? So every statement I'm putting break statement here. Important. So, okay, fine. What is the format, guys? Control I, yeah? No.
Yeah,
Eclipse?
control I.
Control I only, right? Control I. Oh, okay, fine. I think it is fine. So here, every statement, okay, after every statement, we have a break. So, clear, right? Everyone. Okay.
Yes.
So now, so instead here, let me define one method, guys. Okay. So tell me public static. Okay. Just I'm printing a system.out.println I have written, right? So that's what I have written, void. Okay. So void print yearly quarter okay, quarter details or something. Okay, some method, guys. Print yearly quarter details. Something. This is the method name I have taken. Okay. So in this method, I want string array. Okay. String array variable name months. Right. Now I'm taking for each. So each month, what is the type? String, right? String month. Here what? Months. Each month I'm taking. Each month I'm taking. Okay. What is the problem here? We'll see finally. Okay. Public static void print yearly quarter details string array months for string. Okay. Months I'm taking each month. So in the each month, okay, I'm taking all these statements here. Let me take Control X. Control I, yeah? What is that? Control I, right? Vignesh.
Yeah, control I.
Yeah, fine. So now, okay. So now, here what I'm doing, I need to call, okay. What I need to call this method. Tell me how to call that method, guys. Print. Tell me. Print Yearly,
Year quarter.
yearly quarter.
Yes.
Quarter details. Right? So this is the method. So now here what I need to pass string array months. What it is? Single dimension array, right? So
Yes.
here I'm not using this array, okay, after this method call, so that I can go with what? Anonymous array, right? So here I'm creating one anonymous array, John. Okay. So after that what? Feb, right? Next March. March. Tell me. April.
April,
APR. That's it. After that May.
May,
After that June, right? Next July. June, July. August. Come on. After August, what we have? September. Right? After that, October. Okay. So fun. NOV, November. After that, finally what? December. Okay. So now array closed. Okay. What is the problem? Not this one, right? Sorry. Finally, here I have to close. Clear? Right? Okay. So this is what, guys? Static method, right? So directly I can call static method from static area, right? Main method is what? Static area. So I can call directly static method from here. If you want, you can call what? By using class name. Understand? But within the class, okay, no need to use any class name or object reference here. So static method, how can we call? We can call within the class, we can call directly, understand? Or else, if you want, you can call by using class name, or else if you want, you can call what? By using object reference also, right? Come on, within the class. Already we discussed, guys, all these points, okay? So now, so that's what I'm using what? Class name. But class name is what? Not mandatory here, because we are calling static method within the class. So we can call directly, right? Now you see what will happen. Here I'm passing on anonymous array, okay, new string array. So what is the parameter type here? String array, right? Now months hold what? All these array elements, right? Now I'm iterating one by one. Here I'm checking switch month. If month is first of all what? January, right? First element is what? January. Now January it will verify. So January is matching, right? Now John comes under quarter one. That is the message you will see. Okay. After that break. Break means what again? Come out of the switch. And again we'll go to the second one. And second one will switch Feb. Like that it will execute. Clear everyone? Understand the program what I have written? See on output here. Okay. Guys, understand or not? Come on, please respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
quarter
sir.
one, quarter one, quarter two, quarter two, quarter three, quarter three, quarter four, quarter four. Okay. So all are printing, right? January comes under quarter one, Feb comes under quarter one, March comes under quarter one, April comes under quarter two, May comes under quarter two, June comes under quarter two. Here, if you see the statements, comes under quarter one, comes under quarter one, comes under quarter one. These are what? All these three statements are same, right? Unique, right? So there is no different statement, right? Hello?
Yes.
There is no different statement, right? Okay. So if it in the case, okay, so directly we can write only one statement, right? Comes under quarter one. Okay. So if anything is match, okay, January or Feb, March, anything is match, then directly what we have to see comes under quarter one, right? Now, here see, let me remove this one, guys. Instead of remove, let me comment it. Okay, I'm putting break. Here also what I'm commenting, I'm putting break. Here also what I'm commenting. Okay, no. Here I want to add, because what? All these three comes under quarter one. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, even now also, what you will see, guys? The same message. John comes under quarter one. Here, March comes under quarter one. Like that we put, right? So, instead of March, okay, comes under quarter one. That is the message we want to keep. Because here March, Feb, Jan, Feb, March means what? Specific. Okay. Let's suppose January. January month comes under which quarter? So that's what I want to know. Understand? February. February comes under which quarter? Okay. So like that I want to know. Let me remove this one also, guys. Okay. Here what I want to see, that with this month, if I pass any month, I want to see under which quarter that particular month comes. Okay. So that's what I want to see, the output finally. Okay, fine. Now, see, comes under quarter one, comes under quarter one, comes under quarter one. Like that, all the statements will be executed, right? Okay. So now, what I will do, okay. So I will remove, guys. What I will remove, March, okay. Only this one I will put, and even April, May one also I will remove. Break statements I'm keeping. Okay. So now June, only June one I will keep, and after that July also. Okay. So this one, all these comes under what? Quarter three, right? So that's what only quarter three I will put. Even October also I will comment it. Only December I will keep. Understand? So now also what we will see are the statements. Comes under quarter one, quarter two, quarter, right?
Yes.
Output if you see here. Comes under quarter one, quarter two, 2, 3, 4, right? So now,
Yes.
why? So I'm passing all the months, okay? So that's why. Now, let's suppose I'm passing only January here. Instead of all these things, here what I'm passing? String John, okay? Now, okay, John only I'm passing, okay? So what is the message you will see, guys, here? Output I'm asking. Understand? Okay, clear? So here what is the problem? Under for loop, right? We are putting all these things. Okay. So now how many times it will go? All the 12 times. Understand? Understand? Why earlier we are getting comes under one, comes under quarter one, comes under quarter one, comes under quarter one means, so we are iterating under loop, right? For loop. So months, how many
Yes.
months we have? 12 months we have. So each month it will execute. So what is the month one? John. January means what? Comes under quarter one. Again the February also. Here directly we are hard coding, right? The month value here. Understand everyone?
Yes. Yes.
So that's why all the 12 times, 12 months, right? 12 times it will retrieve, right? For loop, 12 times it will retrieve, right? Each and every month. First time January, second time February, second time, third time March, like that it will retrieve, right? All times. Okay.
Yes.
So that's why. So all the time, what is the value here? Here we are putting Jan 1 only. Month 1, Jan 1 only. So all the time, 12 times the Jan 1 will match. Then system.out.println comes under Q1. It will printing. So like that, how many times it will it printed, guys? 12 times. Okay. So I need to comment this one. Clear? So now here what is my intention? See, here I'm passing what? January. Jan I'm passing. Okay. Now there is no statements, guys. Understand? Let me remove this one also. Semicolon also. Okay. Now see, for January, do we have any actions here? Do we have any statements? No actions, right? In February also, we don't have any statements. So I have written only for what? March. Now I'm passing what? January. So in which case is matching, guys, here? The month 1. The variable
Jan.
what I'm passing? Jan. Which case is matching? This case is matching.
First case.
Even this case is also matching. This case comes under where? January comes under which month?
Quarter
1.
Quarter.
Understand? Comes under what? Quarter 1, guys. Now
Quarter
see,
1.
comes under quarter 1. Understand? So here I no need to write same actions, right? For each and every case. You see, I have commented all these comments. Okay, system.out.to these console messages. I commented. Only I put where? In the March case. But even though if January case also matching, even though, okay, this message we can see as an output. Clear, everyone? Come on, guys. Unmute yourself and
Yes,
tell me.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So now instead of January, if I put what? Okay, let me put April. Okay, April comes under where?
Q2.
Quarter 2.
Quarter 2. See now, we'll see quarter 2 here answer, right? So instead of April, I put November. Let's suppose November month is matching. Okay. Now see, comes under where? Quarter 4 for November.
yes, sir.
Understand? Everyone. So here what? By using the main advantage of fall through inside switch is what? We can define common action for multiple cases. Right? This is the common action. For all these 3 cases, what is the common action, guys? Comes under quarter 1, right? For remaining all these April, May, June, what is the common action, guys? Comes under quarter 2. Okay. So instead of defining each and every case, okay, I'm defining only once for each 3 months. Okay. For each 3 months, for March. Okay. What is the last month of quarter? March. In the March month only, I define this system.out.println comes under quarter 1. Now, if the January match also, the same message will execute. Even February match also, the same message will execute. Even March, okay. March month matched also, the same method, the same output you will see. Clear, everyone? Hello. Now
Yes, sir.
now if I put something here, so which message you will see? Default message we will see. No month case is matching. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what, guys. Okay. This is the advantage of fall through inside switch. Okay. You can correlate. Okay. Any real-time word example also, you can correlate, guys. Okay. Fine. Now, let me write that statement. What is the statement, guys? Here, just now we discussed. What is the advantage of? The main advantage of fall through inside switch. What, guys? Fall through inside switch. What? we can define, right, common action, right, common functionality for multiple cases. Common functionality, right, common functionality for what? Multiple cases. Okay, this is what we can achieve code reusability. Right here we are using code reusability or not? Guys, to whom I am teaching, guys?
Yes, sir.
You guys are not responding. I don't know. Please respond. Code reusability we are achieving or not, guys, here?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So now this is the what, guys? Okay. Default fall through inside the switch. Hope you people clear what is the default, okay, fall through inside the switch. Understand? No.
Yeah.
So default case, there is a default case. So what is the default case, guys? Okay. Let me write default case. Default case. What is the default case? So within the switch, right? Within the switch, we can have, okay, default case at most once. At most once. Understand what? Within the switch, we can have default case only one time, guys. Okay. Within the switch, we can have only one default case. Otherwise, only one default case. Understand? If we have two more default case, what we will have? Compile time error. Okay. Duplicate cases are not allowed. Clear?
Yeah.
Within the switch, we can have only one default case. Where we can default case, we can put, okay, default case anywhere, guys. Anywhere. Okay, there is no issue. There is no compile time error. We can put default case anywhere, but recommended to put where?
Fine.
Recommended to put at last. Okay, end of the switch or else. Come on. Okay. What else? When the default case will execute, guys? Tell
Any
me.
cases matches does not match.
In switch block, okay, in switch block, no other cases matched, then, okay, default case will be executed. Understand? So these are the points you have to remember, guys. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
within the switch, we can write default case anywhere, but it is convention to write what? At last case, guys. Okay. If no other case match, then only default case will be executed. Fine. So now, so this is what, guys, completely switch. Understand, everyone? Switch control flow.
Yeah.
Understand? Now, the other one. What is the other one, guys? Okay. Now we will go for iterative statements, guys. Iterative statements. Okay. So what are the iterative statements, guys? While, do while, for loop. These are what? Iterative statements. Okay. The first iterative statement, while loop, guys. What is the first iterative statement? While loop. Okay. Tell me, when we will go for while loop? Come on, guys, everyone. Unmute yourself and follow me. When we will go for while loop, guys? Tell me.
I did the last.
I don't know, guys. Tell me if you don't know. if we don't know number of iterations, okay, if we don't know number of iterations in advance, understand, then the best, okay, the best suitable loop is what, guys? Suitable loop is while loop. Understand? If we don't know number of iterations in advance, then the best suitable loop is what? While loop. Okay. So there is a bunch of records. Okay. So we don't know the number of iterations. How many iterations it has, we don't know. Understand? So that time, what is the best suitable loop is while loop. Understand? So what is the syntax of while loop, guys? While, okay, here what? Condition. Okay, conditional argument type. Okay, after that what? Curly braces. Here statements. Okay. All these what? Some statements. So finally what? While loop close. Okay. This is what? While loop syntax, guys. Okay. This is the syntax. Okay. While condition statements. All these are what? Statements. Some statements. If condition is true, then all these statements will be executed. Okay. Come on, everyone. So until at what time this loop will continue, will execute, guys? Until the condition is false. Okay, once condition is false, then control come out of this loop. Understand? Hello. Clear,
Yes,
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here what? The argument to the while loop should be what, guys? Here, the condition. This is what? Argument. Okay, while loop argument. Understand? So what would be the argument type here? The condition result always. What is the condition result always here? Type, guys. I'm asking type.
Boolean.
Boolean. Okay. The argument, okay, the argument to the while loop always should be what? Boolean type. Okay, if you take any other type, you will get what, guys? Compile time error. Understand? So always it should be what? Boolean type. If you are trying to provide any other type, then we will get what? Compile time error. Okay. So if you don't know the number of iterations in advance, then the best suitable loop is while loop, guys. Okay. If you don't know the number of iterations in advance, then the best suitable loop is what? While loop. Okay. So we don't know how many iterations we have. Come on. Let's suppose one array is coming, guys. Okay. One array. So where this array is, who will pass? Someone is passing. Understand? You have a one
Yes.
class. So someone, there is a student class. In the student class, you want to iterate all the students' records. Understand? All the students' records, you want to iterate in student class. But how many students are there, you don't know. So who will pass how many students? Someone, institute, there is an institute class. In the institute class, they will know how many. See, I'm the faculty. I'm teaching what? Here Java, right? So now I want to, okay, I want to call each and every student. Okay, but I don't know how many students are attended for today class. I don't know. Who will know all this data? Institute. Okay, there is an institute, right? Institute knows how many students are attended for Java class. Let's suppose it's the first Java class. In the first Java class, I don't know, right, how many students are available, because all these details who will take in care, institute will take in care. Okay, let's suppose 100 students are there. Understand? So now in the student class, am I know how many students we have in advance? I don't know. So by this time, I want to iterate what all the students. I don't know the size, right? I don't know number of iterations in advance. Then in these cases, what is the best suitable loop is, guys? While loop. Understand?
Yes.
Everyone? Okay. Where actually we are using this while loop, while iterating data from database. Okay. So we are iterating data from database, right? Let's suppose we are calling something called employee table. Okay. I want to fetch all the records from the employee table. Okay. I don't know how many records we have. Understand? So that time we will use what? While loop. Okay. There is a result set object. Result set dot next. Okay. Result set dot next means what? If any next record is available, then it will give you true. Understand? We don't know how many records we have. We don't know. Understand? So now always the result set is pointing what? The first record. Okay. rs dot next. Let me write here. Example I'm telling. Example. So while loop. Okay. There is a rs dot next, guys. There is a rs result set dot next method. Here I'm writing. I'm iterating all the column data here. See now, while rs dot next, this rs dot next means what, guys? Rs means result set object. Okay, result set object dot next method. We are calling next method under result set class. There is a result set class. Okay, for the result set class, what is the method? What is the object? Result set. Okay, okay. By using the object reference, what I'm calling next method. So here, what it will give? Always the result set object is pointing to the first record. Let's suppose employee table we have. In the employee table, let's suppose 1000 records. The 1000 records are there. I'm selecting all the records. Okay. Now 1000 records are coming from the database. Now what I want to do, for each record, I want to iterate. Okay. Each record contains what? Employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee address, employee mobile number. Like this, all these details will have what? Each record. Okay. So how many employees are there? Let's suppose 100 employees are there. For 100 employees, okay. So the result set first object is pointing to whom? The first employee record. Now rs dot next. What it will give you? Okay. Next record is available, then it will give you true. Okay. If it is true means what? Yes, there is a record. After that, in the while loop, what we are doing? We are taking that, we are fetching that record. Okay, iterating that record. Iterating that record means what? Okay, we are processing all the employee details over there, employee ID, employee name, like that. Okay, so when it is pointing to last record, let's suppose 100 records we have. So rs dot next, like that, 99 times it will give you what? True, 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 true. Now the result set object, the pointer points to whom? Last record. 100 record. So the 100 record also, okay, we retrieved the 100 record details. Fine. So next one, when you call rs dot next, the result set point, okay, where it will point, okay, there is no next record. There is no 101 record. So that time it will give you what? False. Understand? So once it will return false means what? While loop will fail. While block, that result is, the condition is false. Condition is false means what? The control will come out of the while loop. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone clear or not?
Yes, understood.
Okay. So like this, see here, we don't know how many records we have. So in these cases, we will go for what, guys? While loop. Clear, everyone? Now, so example. So now here I'm giving while. Here I'm giving what? 1. That's it. Or 10 I'm giving. Understand? So here I'm printing this out. This out means what? System.out.println. Okay. Something called hello I'm printing. Now tell me what is the output here? What is the output here? Tell me, come on.
Error.
Error. Okay. So why error?
Boolean value.
Because
10 is
Boolean
not a
value.
Boolean.
But here what? 10 value. 10 is what? Integer value.
integer.
What is expected? Boolean type. So what is the output? Come on, tell me the error message also I want.
Possible loss.
Don't tell error like. You have to tell the complete error message also. Already we learned, right? Incompatible, not possible.
Incompatible types.
Incompatible type. Okay. When you will
Yes,
see
sir.
possible loss of precision, if you take integer values, okay. Now it is expecting, let's suppose, long value, but you are passing only 10 value, integer value. Understand? No. It is expecting, let's suppose, byte, but you are passing what? Int value. So that time what? You will see possible loss
Possible
of
loss
precision.
of precision.
Because byte, short, int, long, these are comes under what? Integral values.
Integer.
Okay. Here what? Boolean is one type, integer is another type. Completely type incompatible, right? Here
Yes,
what
sir.
we will see? Incompatible type. Incompatible type. Okay. Found what? In
Int.
required
Boolean.
Boolean. So this is the compile time error you will see, guys. Understand? So here curly braces we have, right? While loop. This curly braces also optional, guys. Already we discussed it, right? In the if loop, I think. So this curly braces also optional. Okay. Only curly braces are mandatory where, guys? Only switch. In the switch block only curly braces are mandatory. Okay. So all the iterative statements, all the conditional statements, these curly braces are optional. Okay. So here also for the while loop also curly braces are optional. Okay. But curly braces are optional, and without curly braces we can take only one statement, guys. Okay. We can take only one statement under while loop, which should not be what? Declarative statement. Already we discussed, right, in the if loop.
Yes.
Okay. Under while loop, without curly braces, we can take what? Only one statement. So here what? Here this out. System.out.println of hello I'm printing. Is it true or false?
Valid.
Is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid. Okay. So here what? I'm not taking any curly braces. If you're not writing any curly braces, means only one statement is allowed, guys, under while loop. That should not be any declarative statement. This is not a declarative statement, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's suppose if I write like this, while, okay, now int x is equal to 10. Okay. Now we will get what? Compile time error. Understand? Why? I'm writing directly what? Declarative statement. I should not be write any declarative statement, right? Sorry, here while true, right? Argument type we are forgetting. You forgot argument type. What is the argument type? Always should be Boolean, right?
Right.
While true. Int x is equal to 10. Here what? Compile time error we will get. Okay? Come on, guys. Declarative statement. Okay. So under while loop, if you remove curly braces, means only one statement is allowed. That should not be any declarative statement. Compile time error. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now let me write one thing, guys. Okay. Here I'm writing one more example called while true I'm passing. And after that, here what I'm doing, system dot out dot println of, okay, system dot out dot println of, I'm printing hello. No. Okay, here what I'm printing, system dot out dot println of, I am printing. Okay, what is the output, guys, here? Okay, and here let me copy this one. Oh, I cannot copy here. This is one more example. Here I'm passing false, guys, directly. So now inside say system dot out dot println of something called I am printing. And after that, system dot out dot println of hello I'm printing. Here I'm asking what is the output. Okay, let me copy this. Come on, fast. Think and tell me. So here, this example, let me write like int a is equal to 10 I'm taking, int b is equal to 20 I'm taking. Now, while, guys, this is not capital F, this is small f only. Okay, this is not capital F, guys, only small f. Now, next, here, a less than b. Okay, so this is one scenario. Here also I'm asking what is the output. And finally, I'm writing one more example here. Yes. Now, final, yeah. I'm going to be here. I'm asking what is the output. Here, let me write one more example. Here. Final entry I'm taking here. That then be I'm taking. Fine, guys. Tell me. Here, tell me the first one. What is the output? Come on, fast. Very quick. Hello. Huh? The first one, what is the output? Everyone unmute yourself and tell me.
Hello, sir.
While true, system dot out dot println of hello, system dot out dot println of hi. Hello, na? Tell me what is the answer? Arey? What happened?
Hello, sir.
Only one people, only Saitej is saying, huh? What about remaining people?
On the curly basis.
Tell me, guys. Remaining people. I'm asking everyone, not only one person here.
Hello only.
Tell me, remaining people. Only 2 people are answered as of now. What is the answer for first one? While true, system dot out dot println of hello, system dot out dot println of hi. Come on, guys. Correct? Hello.
Error is coming, sir.
Error is coming, huh? Which error? What you are
Untraceable statement.
you are executing, Shweta? Meanwhile?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, too smart. Ba. Don't execute. Okay. If you execute means definitely you will see output. You have to think. Okay. You have to think and tell. Here I'm not conducting any what you call interview, right? Or any
Yes, sir.
written exam.
Loop execute ఎక్కడ
Here,
అవుతుంది సార్?
here output is what, guys? Okay, unreachable statement. Why unreachable statement? Okay, want me to execute in directly Eclipse IDE? Okay, here in the same class we will write, guys. Okay, I'm commenting all these things. Okay, here itself we will write. Here I'm commenting, then it's fine, right? We will not call any. I mean, this method will not call. From the main method only execution will start, right? I'm commenting. Tell me, what is the one? What is the example, guys? What I'm giving? I forgot. While true. Okay. So here, while I'm taking true, right? While taking true, here what is out? Okay. Here what I'm giving some value, higher or something. Hello, something. Okay. No. Here what I'm taking, and after that sys out control space hello I'm taking. Okay. See here itself it is showing because what it's a Eclipse IDE, right? Eclipse IDE, the compiler automatically when you write only it will do compilation. See it is saying what it is, unreachable statement, unreachable code. Understand why unreachable code? Here you are writing what? While true. So always true only. True means what? Always true. Right? When we will use for while loop, if you don't know the iterations, right, in advance, if you don't know any, I mean, if you don't know the iterations, how many iterations we have, if you don't know in advance, then we will go for what? While true. So now, how while loop is will execute, guys? How while loop will execute? Okay, let me explain here. Syntax. Now, while loop. Now, while condition. Okay. Now, a controller will check this condition, guys. Always condition should be what? Boolean type. Okay. After evaluation of this condition, what should be the result type? Result type always should be Boolean type. Okay. So if value is true, if condition is true, then only control will come inside the while loop, guys. Understand? If condition is true, then only control will come inside the while loop and all the statements inside the while loop will be executed. Okay. Once all the, let's suppose these statements are there. These three statements will be executed. And after that what? Again control will go to whom? Again condition. Understand? Again control will go to condition. Again we'll verify condition. Condition is true or false. If condition is true, again control will come inside the while loop and all these three statements will execute. Once all these three statements will completed, again control will go to whom? Again condition. Understand? First of all, the first control will see, the compiler will check this condition, guys. If condition is true, then only control will come inside the what? Inside the loop. Okay? Inside the loop. Understand, everyone? So now, all the statements inside the while loop will be executed. So once all the statements are completed, again, control go to where? Again, condition. Okay? Condition, again, condition. Control will go to again, condition. Now, condition will verify again. Now, if condition is true, the second time, then again control will come inside the while loop and all the statements will be executed inside the while loop. Understand? Once all the statements is executed, again control will go to whom? Condition. Okay. Now again condition will check. So what is the condition? If the condition value true, again control will come inside the loop and all the statements will be executed. Okay. Until at what time? Until condition result is false. If condition result is false, then control will come outside of the while loop. Okay. Once the condition result is false, then only control, okay, will come outside of the while loop. Then that time control will not go to inside the while loop. Clear everyone? Sorry guys, I cannot explain you. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, I think I should think whether I can conduct classes or not. I don't know why you guys are not responding. I'm teaching you only, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So why you guys are not responding? Please tell me you're not understanding. If you're not understanding, then I can repeat one more time. But if you're not speaking anything, means what I should do? Understand how while loop will execute?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now you see here, while true. Here while true means what? Always condition is true. Always
True.
condition is true means what? So there is no
There
chance
is-
of executing this line, right?
Yes.
At lifetime, there is no chance of executing this line.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why here what? Unreachable statement. This is what? Unreachable statement only, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the compile time error. Unreachable statement, what? High, something. Understand? Unreachable statement called high or something. This is the compile time error we will see. Okay, now tell me this one. Hope you people clear how the while loop is work. Okay,
Admission is false.
now
Sorry.
while false. While false means what? Always it will,
Non-executed.
it won't execute while loop.
Yes.
Okay, always which line it will execute? Hello.
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 Here also what is the one?
Unreachable statement.
Unreachable statement. Understand? Unreachable statement.
Yes, sir.
Clear everyone? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
unreachable statement here?
Hello.
Hello.
Not hello here.
I.
Unreachable statement.
Unreachable statement.
Okay. This one. Unreachable statement. This one. What is the first statement? After under while, what is the first statement? Open curly brace. Right? So lifetime it will not enter into where inside the while loop, because always it is false. Okay, clear?
No, yes.
Yeah.
Now tell me this one. Int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20, while a less than p. What is the value here?
High.
Huh?
High.
Hi.
High.
Higher or any
Yes.
unreachable statement?
No, hi.
High, sir.
Hi, sir.
Why high? A 10, b 20, a less than b, 10 less than 20
True.
means always true. Always true means, do you think this statement will execute? Always
No.
it print high only, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here also what? Unreachable
Unreachable
statement,
statement.
Unreachable statement.
right?
Hi.
Hello.
Am I correct or not?
Yeah, correct.
But output will be high, guys, here.
Why?
That's why I'm thinking, I'm saying, tell me why high? Here output always it should be high. Okay, why high? Here what we are taking? Variables.
Int is
Int a
equal
is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. Okay, now this time a less than b. Fine. Understand? A less than b. So here this int a and int b, okay, here you hard coded. But this int a and int b, you can get it from someone, somewhere. These are argument values. Understand? Come on. Int a and int b what, guys? Instance variables, right? So these
Yes.
here in this class, instance variable. So these instance variables means what? Okay, someone, let's suppose in some other class, they created our class object. From there also they can pass these values. Okay, we will see. These things we will see after some time. But here, okay, what my explanation is, a less than b. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 20 now this time. Understand? After some time, I can assign a value to 20, b value to 10. I can assign or I cannot assign. Can I assign like that? So now,
less than
see, as point of this time, what is the A value, guys? 10. What
10,
is the B value, guys? 20.
20.
Come on, clear everyone? Now, this
Yes,
time what? A less than B true, you will see output as a high.
right.
Clear? So now, after some time, can I assign A value to 30 and B value to, okay, 20? Can I
Yes,
assign A value to 30? Can I assign or not?
yes,
Yes,
Yeah, you
sir.
can assign.
So if I
Yes,
assign
sir.
30, while A less than B, what would put the
False.
value?
False.
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 If it is false, means which statement will execute?
Hello.
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 There is a possibility or not?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is giving high. Clear? Clear or not? Now, tell me this one.
Error, sir.
Huh?
Error.
Why error?
We
Final
can't.
give
We
call.
can't
What
assign.
error?
We can't change. Sir.
Tell me what is the error you have to tell.
Unreachable.
Unreachable statement.
Unreachable state.
Why unreachable statement? See here. Final. This is what? Final.
Sir.
Final
It's
means
always
what?
true.
Constant. Constant
Yes.
means what? We cannot change. Understand? Now, what is the A value? 10. What is the B value? 20. A less than B means what? Always it should
Always
be
true.
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 True means what? High only. So now, after some time, can I change A value 10 to 30?
No, sir.
No, sir.
We cannot change. Why? This is a final. Final means constant.
Constant.
Already we discussed, right? We cannot change, okay, value to final variable. If you change means what? You will get compile time error. Final means constant. Okay, so we cannot change constants, right? Okay, so that's why here what? Unreachable statement. Compile time error, guys, here. Okay, clear everyone?
Yeah.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Yes, sir.
No, see how the questions will be. Okay, so like these questions will be there for interview, even your examination also. See now, next one. Final int A is equal to 10, int B is equal to 20. Now, while A greater than B, A greater than B. Here tell me what is the output. The next example.
Next example.
Come
Hello,
on.
sir.
Don't execute, guys.
Hello.
No, sir.
Your
Hello,
brain
sir.
and tell me. What is the answer?
Hello.
Hello.
Condition is false.
Hello, right? Here answer should be hello. Clear? Why?
Yes.
Only first variable is final, right? The second variable, I'm not putting any final. I mean what? Second variable is not a final variable. So I can change, right?
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? A is equal to 10 now. Okay. Now I can put B is equal to 5. If I put B is equal to 5, then A greater than B. True or false? False. Right? See, A value always 10 only because that is a constant. After some time, I'm changing B value from 20 to 5. Now, while A greater than B means what? Condition false. If condition false means what? I will A greater
Hello.
than B. No, see, here A is equal to 10, guys. B is equal to 20. Okay, 10 greater than 20. Condition true or false?
False.
False.
False means what? Hello.
Hello.
Okay, false means what? Hello.
Hello.
Now if I take B is equal to 5. Now A is equal to 10. 10 greater than 5. Condition false or true? True.
True.
10 greater than
True.
5, right? So this time what it will print? High.
Hi.
Hi.
So there is a chance. So that's what here what is the output? Hello. Okay, there is no compile time error. Clear? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear or
sir.
not? Okay, so like these questions will be there, guys. Okay, if everything is compile time constant, then compiler is responsible to perform that operation, guys. So here what? These two are what? Compile time constants only. Final. Okay, these are compile time constants only, right? If compile time constants
Yes.
means we cannot change anything. Okay, So you guys can execute these examples, okay? Once our class is completed, right? So just open your Eclipse IDE and try to execute all these examples. Not only these examples, your own. Okay, think your own and you can try to execute. Okay. So tomorrow we will start remaining loops, guys. Okay, do while. Yeah, while loop is completed. Tomorrow we will see do while loop and for loop. Okay. So if permit, we will close all the other things also, guys. Okay. So once we completed these loops, I will give you few examples. Okay. So then we will see how your loops concept is understanding. How you guys are understand loops concept. We will see end of the our this course, not this course, end of this loops concepts. Clear, everyone?
Yeah, sure.